Hello, welcome to Online Money. Today we're back with a brand new video of 3 ways how you can make money on Instagram, simple and easy. This method is so easy. I know you're gonna say, wow, how I didn't think of this before. And please stay till the end of the video because I will be revealing a secret method of how you can make money autopilot on Instagram without you lifting a finger. So if you don't have the time to do this for yourself, or if you're just lazy, I'm gonna show you how you can do this without no effort whatsoever. So the first thing I would like you to do is go to Instagram. That's where you're gonna be making money from. I'm currently doing the same method I'm gonna tell you about, okay? Affiliate marketing. So as you can see here on my Instagram, I got these things posted and I got it in my bio also. And most of my posts, I even mention about it. And as you can see here, DM me if you're interested. All right. Proven tool for cat training. And that is a affiliate product. So what you can simply do is go to Digistore, and that is an affiliate company. Please subscribe, be a part of our family, all right? Digistore is an affiliate company where you can promote their stuff. So what you can do is register, be a part of Digistore, and right away you can start promoting, you can start making money from online marketing. All right. So you can go to Digistore whenever you create your Instagram account in the niche you prefer. I already explained in my previous video how can you make an Instagram account and how can you get followers real quickly. So after you make your account, and you have certain amount of followers, a matter of fact, you can start posting these things before you have no followers whatsoever. But to make money, you need followers. If you need to know how to make money, go to the previous video and you will see how you can do that exactly, or how you can grow your Instagram account. A matter of fact, I'm going to make a separate video about that. But you will go to Digistore, you will be a part of Digistore after you choose what you want to promote and the niche you want to target. What you will do, for instance, you're promoting something pertaining to health, fitness, cat, it doesn't matter. You will come here and you will choose from that category. All right. I also did a review about Digistore 24. So if you want to know more about this company, you can check my videos and you will find out. Digistore is a company where they are credited all over and they're safe to use. All right. If you don't want to use Digistore, you can also use ClickBank. They have been around for over 20 years. They are making persons rich and so can you. So this is my first method. You will go to some form of affiliate marketing company. You will grab your affiliate link, all right? And whenever you grab your affiliate link, what you can do, you can go back to Instagram, you can put your link in your description, or you can write whatsoever is catchy for the persons to see, and then you tell them to DM you if they're interested. Whenever they DM you, that's when you will be sending them the affiliate link. Whenever they purchase from your affiliate link, you will be getting a commission from that link. For instance, you're promoting this offer. As you can see, it's 85% commission. So you're going to be making 85% of $129. All right. So it's really easy. I don't see why you can't do this. So whenever you put the link in your description, some of the affiliate link, I have to say, Instagram, they do not allow some of these links. So some of these links you would have to go to Bentley to get your link shortened, or you would have to go to some site where you can have your link added in your description. All right. They got a lot of different videos on YouTube how you can add link in your Instagram description. So you can watch one of those videos. All right. So that is the number one way. I don't want this video to get too long. So let me go into the second way of how you can make money on Instagram. And this is really simple and easy. You can do shoutouts. All right. So after you grow your account to a certain amount, what you can do is you can add you can add persons photos on your timeline, or you can even add them on your status for a price. This is something that's been going on for a very long time now, and you can even grow your accounts from shoutout. So you can pay someone who is doing Instagram shoutout to promote your profile. When your profile is promoted, for instance, you will go to someone that have a lot of followers. For instance, this person have over 4 million followers. So what you would do, you would contact this person, you would ask them, hey, how much does it cost to do a shout out? You can negotiate, you can pay this person to put up your profile and it will be followed. Okay, so in the same way you can grow your account, in that way you can make money from other persons. So whenever you're at a certain limit, you don't have to be at 100,000, at 10,000. Once you have over 1,000 followers, because persons contact me personally to do shout out and to put them up on my status. All right. So I know this is not hard. Whenever you're at a certain limit, for instance, you have over 1,000 follower, you can go to this site they call Social Blue Book. Social Blue Book, you can put your account on Social Blue Book. That's where persons are going to find persons that do shout out. Because some of the time, when you just go and random DM someone, they don't really, you can't confirm that they will do your shout out. So when you use Social Blue Book or use some accredited site, you're sure that, hey, once someone contact me or contact Social Blue Book, it's definite. There is no going around. Or if you come here to look for someone to do some shout out for you, there is no going around. The only thing with this, whenever you get the shout outs from Social Blue Book, they will be taking a commission out of what you're supposed to get. And I see nothing with that wrong with that. As a starter, you want to make money, and money, have you have to spend money to get money some of the time. And having a middleman, sometimes it can be bothering, but sometimes it's a big help. So that's the second way of how you can make money on Instagram. And I know it's easy. So if you're liking this so far, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family. All right. Now, the third way, And I think this is the easiest way. The third way of how you can make money on Instagram is you can do consulting. All right. If you know how to grow an Instagram account, if you got tips on how you can grow an Instagram account, what you can do consulting. All right. So you can teach people how to grow their Instagram account. It's very simple and it's very easy. So all you'll do, you'll teach persons how to grow their Instagram account for a price, or if you know how to get followers, you can manage other person's Instagram for them for a price, or you can teach them how to do it. And that's the third and final way of how you can make money on Instagram. It's very simple and easy. I appreciate you watching this video, and don't leave without liking, give me a comment, and please subscribe. Come again for more interesting messages like this on how you can make money online. So thank you, and we're out.